Let's take a look at our scroll zoom widget. So it's in our Edition 3 add-ons library. Let's just drag it onto the page here. And let's rescale this. So this particular widget doesn't render to the design view, renders in the preview view. So we have this nice little icon here telling us what this particular panel is. And in our settings here, we can just we can set our initial zoom. So do we want it zoomed in or zoomed out initially, and then the opposing zoom in, zoom out. So let's say for instance we had this set to 1 and this to 2. Then when you scroll down the page, this would zoom from normal to 200% bigger. Or we can set it to large, so we've got it 1.15 here. That's the initial scale, and then it'll zoom out to its normal size. So we can either zoom in or zoom out. We can set the offsets as well. So this is the offset, how far down, how much of this image from the top needs to be displayed before the zoom happens, or how much does the image need to be, the bottom of the image need to be in view before the animation happens, and then the speed of the animation. So let's move this down the page. Let's move it to there, and I'm going to set my page properties to, let's say 2000, or let's say 3000, doesn't really matter. And then you notice that we have our image referenced here, and I'm just going to load that image up. So I'm going to go to File, Add Files for Upload. I'm going to go to my Edition 3 widgets, scroll zoom, and we'll load up the example file here. And then when I hit preview, let's preview the page in the browser. We can see that as we scroll up and down the page, our zoom is activated. Now this is fully responsive as well, so we can make it 100% width. And let's have a preview of that. So now we've got a nice full width, and we can see that nice effect happening as we move up and down. It just adds a nice bit of motion to the page and is activated by scroll. So we thought it would be a useful widget for you.